I'm not that hungry. I ate so much last night. I've been like actively trying to eat less recently.
Ron needs to eat, he's got a big swim to do.
Hey?
Ron needs to eat, he's going for a swim.
Yeah, I'll do it there. Let's get some hot water ready.
Oh, it's raining. There's your rain, Tommy.
Should we just pull out these pins and... Oh, does that mean I've got to pack up quicker?
You want to make it ready?
Did you hurt poor Pepper?
I'd put pepper on pepper, mate. I'm just gonna do a little bit of cereal, eh?
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah. Do you want to cook bacon and eggs?
Look, if I do that, I have to go for a swim, eh?
Why? Oh,
Why not?
stop overthinking it.
Just do it, eh? I'm just gonna get changed now. This is done. I'll just go for a swim, eh? That's what Tommy's waiting for. Yeah. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, it's pretty, like, it's not that bad, but then it got pretty cold, eh? Woo! Hey. It's pretty good.
Your face sort of says differently out here.
Is it safe to put my head under?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, alright. Yeah. It's 2 minutes. No, it's actually pretty good now. I'm like not cold.
Do you want a proper towel?
That's okay.
Yeah, that's the shit.
You just lift it over? All good?
Yeah, yeah.
Shout out if you need an extra set of hands or whatever. Yeah.
I'll keep facing this way though. Are you getting changed?
Yeah. Oh.
You bastard.
Oh, you get nude.
Oh, alright.
Thank you, Ronnie.
Oh, instant warm.
I'm going to be a full cruiser, so I've got cruisers get some new shocks, some new brakes, some bit of a suspension birthday before we go for that trip. So yeah, I've got a little bit of work to do in the next few weeks, and yeah, I've got to say I'm secretly hoping we might get a little winter dive mission in, Ron, between now and then. That's the end of September. We're end of July now, so we've got 2 months. It's bloody freezing, but I could do with a couple of crays in the freezer. So I'm just keeping the eye open for a window, or maybe even a little brolish trip or something like that would be fun. But you do get these weekends with low wind, so we'll keep an eye out. Hopefully we can sneak a little mission in between. All right, let's call it a day. Let's get out of here.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Peace out.
So have you guys like fully aired up, or?
I have just dropped the beach from going here, but I'm happy to full drive a bit if you guys want.
No, I was pretty much. I think we'll just head out, eh? Like I was also thinking like we were lucky enough to kind of clean the cars a bit yesterday too, which is kind of convenient. So.
Yeah, I fully pumped up.
Right. Okay. Cool. I've still got to air up, but I think. It's not super high the water, but it's not super low either. So it has come up a bit. It was very low at the summer.
Yeah, I've never been here.
Really?
Yeah. That's a nice spot, eh?
Go for another cold puff.
Alright, that's it for now. If you liked it, cool. If you didn't, also cool. Leave a comment if you've got a story, a tip, or just feel like saying hi. This is Noodle Doodles. Make more, waste less, and stay hard.